Hey, what's going on, guys? Manny Grullon here, coming to you live from New York City. I'm right here. I'm actually down in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, from New York City. And so I just wanted to share with you an opportunity that has literally changed my life in the last year. Before this, I used to be in the military. I went to college, did the whole 9-to-5 job in the corporate industry for about 3 years, and then I came across what we do now, which is Forex. All right, Forex has literally changed my life because it does not require selling. It does not require doing anything but learning how to catch pips. Learning how the market moves. And so at this point, after a year, with a lot of confidence, I'm able to say that I have time freedom, financial freedom. I've been able to quit my job and do this full time and travel the country, travel the world. And at this point, I'm even teaching people how to do this. So I encourage you to stay tuned. If you guys have any questions, anything you guys need, definitely reach out because I'm here to help. All right, guys, take care.